In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make LinkedIn connections private. If you want a little more privacy on LinkedIn, this is a simple setting that can make a big difference. By turning off connection visibility, you can limit who is able to see the people you're connected with on your profile. This is especially helpful if you prefer to keep your professional network more private, or if you just want more control over what others can view. To get started, open the LinkedIn app on your device and look for your profile photo at the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it to open the main account menu. This is where you'll find access to your profile, preferences, and account settings. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in this section, you'll see a variety of options related to your account, visibility, and overall LinkedIn experience. Since this change is related to who can view your network, the next place you need to go is Visibility. Tap Visibility from the menu list to continue. Now, inside the Visibility section, look for the area labeled Visibility of your profile and network. This section contains settings that control how much of your LinkedIn presence is visible to other people. Find the option called Connection Visibility and tap on it. You should now see a simple toggle that controls whether your connections are visible to others. To make your LinkedIn connections private, switch that toggle to Off. Once you do that, the setting is updated and your connections will no longer be openly visible in the same way. And that's it. The change only takes a few moments, but it can give you more control over your privacy on the platform. If you ever want to change it back later, you can return to the same section and turn the setting on again. One quick tip before you go: if you're adjusting privacy settings on LinkedIn, it may be worth taking a few extra seconds to review the other visibility options in that same menu. They can help you manage how your profile, activity, and network appear to others. That's all you need to do to make LinkedIn connections private.